Manufacturers and their system suppliers are constantly looking for new and innovative ways to balance productivity versus spending. One popular solution is the use of autonomous mobile robots. These smart systems provide huge dividends across many sectors, yet many manufacturers face challenges adopting reliable, connected, efficient, and timely AMR solutions due to their complex design. onsemi offers a variety of AMR-enabled solutions, from individual components to subsystem designs, each specifically engineered to minimize these complexities with reliable, intelligent power and sensing that provide the essential building blocks of your design. Using our cutting-edge proprietary technology, we help you create a highly reliable AMR capable of navigating your environment safely and independently, so it delivers value for your specific industrial automation challenges. Our subsystem components, ranging from rugged, high-resolution image sensors to elite SiC-based high-power motor control and highly efficient compact battery charging solutions, as well as connected wireless and wireline applications that include intelligent lighting, are all built using our decades of experience serving growth markets. As a global leader in industrial automation, onsemi offers intelligent power and sensing products, innovative technology, and unmatched expertise. Together, we will ensure your development process is easy and your autonomous mobile robot is capable of reliably navigating even the harshest of industrial environments. onsemi, intelligent technology, better future.